How to fix the picture effect grayed out on Sony Alpha cameras. If you're using a Sony Alpha camera, including models like the A7, A7 II, A7 III, 4, or 5, and find that picture effect option is grayed out, it's likely due to incompatible settings or configurations. This guide will help you identify and resolve the issue so you can apply picture effects to your photos. Steps to fix picture effect grayed out. Step 1. Switch to JPEG format. First, enable image mode from your camera mode setting. Press the menu button on your camera. Navigate to the quality/image size 1 settings. Locate the file format option and ensure it is set to JPEG or RAW plus JPEG. Keep in mind, picture effects are not supported when shooting in RAW only mode. Step 2. Change different pictures from mode settings. Try to switch to P or A or select S option, and after that, tap menu button. Go to color/WB/IMG processing of your settings. Scroll down, tap picture effect. Now check your issues. If you have issues from this setting, tap picture profile. Turn off this feature. Now just turn it off and turn it back on your camera and check. After following this, your problem should be solved. If you still have issues, then try to update your camera or try to rest your camera and hope that will help. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the picture effect grayed out issue on your Sony Alpha camera. Let me know if this guide helped you out or if you need additional help.